Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine. My name is Piero and this is a video on the Supervisor actor of BOLO 4.0. As you know, BOLO 4.0 has 4 types of actors: officers, supervisors, administrators, and root administrators. Supervisors have access to all of the functionality that officers also have access to. But supervisors also can edit any BOLOs within agencies that were posted by officers, and they can also archive any BOLOs within their agencies that were posted by officers. So if I go to BOLO 4.0 and I click on user options, you can see here that I'm logged in as a supervisor. Let me go back to the home page. This is a BOLO that was posted by an officer of the Pinecrest Police Department. So if I wanted to archive this BOLO, I would be able to do so. So as you can see, the system is trying to archive the BOLO, and it actually did it. So if I go to archive, I can find the BOLO that I just archived. I can also restore this BOLO to the home page if I wanted to. I clicked on restore and the BOLO was successfully restored. So let me go back to the home page, and here it is. Now, this is a BOLO that was posted by an officer of Coral Gables, as you can see. So if I try to archive it, it should not let me do it. Now, this is a BOLO by a root user of the Pinecrest Police Department. So if I wanted to archive this BOLO, it would not let me do so. Now let me go to archive for a moment. If I wanted to restore a BOLO from the Coral Gables Police Department, it should not let me do so because I belong to the Pinecrest Police Department. Now, I also said that a supervisor is able to edit any BOLOs within their agencies that were posted by officers. So this right here is a way to update the status of a BOLO instantly. As I said before, this is a BOLO that was posted by an officer of Pinecrest. So if I wanted to change the status of this BOLO, the system should let me do it, as you can see. Now, this is a BOLO posted by an officer of Coral Gables. So if I try to instantly update the status of this BOLO, it should not let me do it. As I said before, this is a BOLO posted by a root of Pinecrest, by a root user. So if I tried to change the status, it would not let me do so. Now, if I try to edit this BOLO, it doesn't let me do so as well. And this is the BOLO that I told you about that belongs to Coral Gables. So if I click on edit, it doesn't let me edit this BOLO. Now, if I click edit on this BOLO, which is a BOLO posted by an officer of Pinecrest, then the system lets me edit this BOLO. And for example, let me change the race to white and sex to male. Now let me publish this BOLO so you can see that the changes are indeed reflected. So this is the BOLO that I just changed. So let me go to details, and you can see that the race has been changed to white and sex is now male. This concludes this video on the Supervisor actor of BOLO 4.0. I hope that you had as much fun watching it as I had making it. Thank you.